Okay. So let's take a triangle. I'm taking a triangle whose sides are 3, 4 and 5. तो सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताओ कि if the sides of the triangle are fixed like 6, 8 and 11. If these are the three sides of triangle, how many triangles we can make through these sides? बताओ, जल्दी बोलो. Anyone? If I have
Three.
three fixed sides, how many triangle we can create?
Shouldn't it be only one?
Yes, very good. Because if I'll give you a stick of 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 11 centimeter, the only way you will be able to fix that will be one particular way only. 6, 8, 11. You cannot make a triangle in any other way. So why I'm saying in any other way? The angle between 6 and 8 or 8 and 11 side or 11 and 6 side will be always fixed. You cannot change the measures of the angles. So only one triangle would be made. So when I said to you that I have made a triangle of 3, 4, 5, so that means I have automatically fixing the angles also. So this is a fixed triangle. Now let's say I'm making a triangle with sides 6, 8 and 10. So what are you saying here? That I have just taken the measure of sides which is double of this triangle. So again, this will also be a unique triangle, and this will also be a unique triangle because you know that we cannot make more than one triangle through these three sides. So what you will be amazed that these two triangle will be very similar, and similar means they will look same. You know, look same, that means the angle at A will be angle at A dash, angle at B will be angle at B dash, angle at C will be angle at C dash. So this is how we achieve similarity by multiplying with a same number to the all sides. Like here it was 3, 4, 5. I took 6, 8, 10. So and here we can also define the ratio of similarity. Ratio of similarity, which is 1 is to 2 in this case. So if I'll give you other example, like let's say this is uh, 4, this is 7, and this angle is theta, a fixed theta. I'm taking another triangle, not triangle, angle, which is same as theta. This is 8 and this particular side is 14. And if I'll match this, connect these 2 points of the angle, and this is triangle ABC, and this is triangle PQR. So can you say that these two triangles are similar?
Yes.
Yes. I'll not go in the proof of this particular concept, but if you have a same angle and the sides which are making the angles are in same ratio, the triangle will be automatically be similar. And this particular rule will be called side angle side rule for similarity. Similarity. Remember, These sides are not equal here. They are in a certain ratio. So if two sides or angle between them, if angle between them are equal and the other two sides are in same ratio, your triangle will be similar. So we got two similarity concepts here. One, side, side, side. So if sides, side are in same ratio, like the second triangle is in 2s, 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 and double of the each side. So side, side, side rule of similarity, side angle, side rule of similarity, and one which was very basic, that if any two angle of the two triangles are same, like I have two triangles like this, and if I'm saying that this is theta and this is alpha, this is theta and this is alpha, then this third one will be automatically be what? 180 minus theta minus alpha, 180 minus theta minus alpha, it will be same. So rather than writing triple A, you can just write it like double A. So if two angles are same for two triangles, third angle will be automatically will be same. So these are the three rules for similarity. Whenever you need to find whether two triangles are similar or not, you have to make choose or find out whether any of these three rule is working or not. So let me give an example. Let's say there is a triangle and I'm drawing a line here which is dividing the other two lines. This is the triangle ABC, and I have drawn a line from a point of AB to the point of AC such that this line divides both of the sides of the triangle in ratio uh, 2:5. This is the ratio, not the measure. Now, this particular sides will be called ADE. मतलब D. Now you have two triangles. Triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Now can anyone tell me whether these two triangles are similar or not? Are they similar? And if yes, are they similar? And if
Yes, they'll
yes,
be similar.
which rule have you applied here?
Angle, angle, angle.
No, angle
Would
in
wouldn't angle ADE be equal to angle ABC? And angle DA is common.
why these two angle will be same? Not told
Um,
you. I've just told you that these the line D is such that it is
okay,
dividing the AB and AC in same ratio, 2:5.
okay,
So this angle is equal to this angle. Of course, it will happen. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि it is not true. But you cannot say with this particular data which I have given you, na?
okay.
The similarity will be proved. Similarity will be proved with the rule of SAS. See, this particular line and this particular line and angle between these two, theta. So this is in same ratio. This particular line got multiplied by same factor, 2 to 7. It was 2 and the total was 7. Again, it was 2 here and the total is 7. So SAS, by applying SAS, we can tell that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. अब बताओ, अब समझ में आया क्या हुआ? मैंने अभी बताया था ना कि ये अगर if we have a angle theta and let's say I am taking this 1:3 and then I'll take this. one more and three more. So this will be 2:6, same ratio. So SAS is applied here. ठीक है?
Okay.
समझ में आया मेरी बात क्या कह रहा?
Yes, sir.
देखो क्या है कि हम थोड़ा सा एफर्ट करते हैं कि आप थ्योरेटिकली भी समझो, थोड़ा कम समझ में आए तब भी काम चलता है, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन यू कैन ऑलवेज डू विथ लिटिल नॉलेज, बट थोड़ा ध्यान दोगे क्या कहा जा रहा है. तो अब इसके रिवर्स में I'll give you now the other way of representing the same thing. I made a triangle ABC. Then I again draw a line which is cutting AB and AC. And this line is parallel to BC. This is parallel to BC. Now tell me whether triangle ADE is similar or not similar to ABC. Can anyone tell me?
So they are similar.
Similar. And how? Which rule did you apply it?
So angle.
Yes. Kyun? Because if it is parallel, if these two lines are parallel, these two angles will be same. And this is a common angle for the both the triangle. And these two angle will also be same. So angle rule will be applied here and this will be similar. So now, if it is similar, then you can see, you can just say that if they are dividing the side into MN and PQ, then you can tell that P by Q is equal to M by N, because these are the these will also follow the same proportion. So these two particular theorem, not theorem, this particular two concept is very useful in solving many question of your geometry. So let's simplify it. First, I'll take the midpoint, and it will be called midpoint theorem. So if I'll add two midpoints of any triangle, then the smaller triangle will be similar to the bigger triangle. Everybody knows now. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Now, can you tell me that what is the, for these two triangle, what is the ratio of similarity?
1:2.
Yes. ये कौन बोला? नाम
Shiksha.
बताओ. Hmm?
Shiksha.
Very good, Shiksha. Let's go back to the previous triangle. इस वाले triangle में, now tell me for this triangle, what would be the ratio of similarity?
So 2:5.
2:7. क्योंकि ये जो लाइन है, ये ए बी को 2:5 में काटता है. So when I'll take the complete triangle ADE on ADABC, so for AB the measure will be 7, na? 5 plus 2. And this is the one of the what I'll say, one of the most frequently occurred mistake from any student in exams, that they take the similarity, just like you could have said that the similarity ratio is 1:1 in that way, but you, what did you say? 1:2, because you know that this is 1, then the entire side of ABC is AB is 2. So you took the similarity 1:2. तो अब थोड़ा एक दो और बताओ मुझे. आई एम गिविंग यू द सिमिलर एग्जांपल्स. There is a triangle ABC and a line which is parallel to the third line and cuts the triangle into 3:4. This is parallel to this. Can anyone tell me what is the similarity ratio of ABC and ADE? Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. The ratio of similarity क्या होगी?
3:7.
Yes, very good. ठीक है, ये क्लैरिटी आ गई. अच्छा, अब इसी पे दिस इज योर मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम विच सेज कि अगर मिड पॉइंट को मिलाया गया तो आप वो साइड एंगल साइड के हिसाब से यू कैन से. अगर इसी को हम उल्टा बोलते कि पैरेलल ड्रॉ किया गया है तब भी आप बोलोगे सिमिलर है, बिकॉज यू नो दैट फॉर दैट एंगल विल बी अकर. अब मुझे एक क्वेश्चन और बताओ मुझे. गिवन दैट these two lines are parallel, now you can automatically know, or you should know, that this smaller triangle is similar to the bigger triangle. And I gave you the length of AD, not the ratio. AD is 3. DB is 5. BC is 16. ठीक है. Then length of DE is, what will be the length of DE? बताओ. What will be the length of DE? सबसे पहले आपको क्या दिखता है कि सिमिलर है. सिमिलरिटी का रेशियो क्या होगा?
Sir,
What did
16.
60?
16. BC equal to D.
BC तो 16 है ना. DE पूछ रहा हूं मैं, DE. पहले बताओ सिमिलरिटी का रेशियो क्या होगा?
3:8.
3:8. तो यानी कि जो बड़ा वाला और छोटे वाले ट्रायंगल के सारे साइड्स जो हैं वो 3:8 में होंगे. तो ये जब अगर BC जो अगर 16 है तो ये कितना होगा? जैसे x:16 इज सेम एज 3:8. तो x की वैल्यू कितनी होनी चाहिए? 6 होनी चाहिए कि नहीं? समझ में आई सबको बात?
नहीं सर.
अरे मैं व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग यू दैट सिमिलरिटी का रेशियो आपको पता चल गया 3:8. तो अब बड़े वाले का BC साइड जो है वो 16 है. तो 8 की वैल्यू 16 है तो 3 की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? तो DE साइड जो है वो 3 को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. तो 3 की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 6 होगी ना.
अच्छा आ गया.
आ गया ना. तो इस तरीके से आपसे कोई भी सवाल पूछा जा सकता है. अच्छा, एक चीज और, लेट मी इन ऐड टू दिस. Let's say we have two similar triangles. Let's say we have two similar triangles with similarity ratio as 1:2. ठीक है. ABC, PQR. ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and the ratio of similarity is 1:2. Then let's say I'm taking this side, BC side, as B. Then the side QR would be, QR कितना हो जाएगा?
2B.
2B.
Very good. And let's say I'm taking the height, I'm considering the height from A to BC is H. Then height from P to QR will be
2H.
Exactly. So whatever the ratio of similarity is, it will be followed by all the sides of the triangle, even it is not drawn. Generally, we know the sides of the triangle are ABC, AB, BC, and CA. But these heights and any perpendicular or median, everything is the sides of triangle. Everything will follow 1:2 ratio. So the area of this triangle would be half into B into H. Area of this triangle will be half into 2B into 2H, which is 4 into half into BH. So if the ratio of similarity is 1:2, then ratio of area will be रेशियो ऑफ एरिया क्या होगा? क्या दिखा तुम्हें?
Half is to 2. No, 1:2.
1:4 ना. यहाँ दिख नहीं रहा, ये 4 मल्टीपल में आ गया ना, ये 2 इसका दोनों मल्टीप्लाई के 4 बाहर आ जाएगा ना. समझ में आई बात? नहीं.
आ गए.
So if the ratio of similarity is 2:5, तो रेशियो ऑफ एरिया क्या होगा फॉर बोथ ऑफ द ट्राइंगल? 4:25, स्क्वायर ऑफ द रेशियो. आई बात समझ में? सब लोग बताओ, डिड एवरीवन गेट द पॉइंट?
यस सर।
खुल के बोलो, आवाज नहीं आ रही तुम लोग.
यस सर।
ठीक है, अब मुझे बताओ. अच्छा देखो कितना द इट वी विल बी यूजिंग फ्रैक्शंस एट लेंथ टू सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस. अगर आपको फ्रैक्शन नहीं आता है और रेशियो नहीं आता है तो थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रहा होगा. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ ट्रायंगल लाइक दिस. And I drew a parallel line. The moment you saw the parallel lines, and you can tell the smaller triangle and the bigger triangle will be similar to each other. And this particular parallel line divides the sides of the triangle in, let's say, 4:7. ठीक है. A, B, C. These datas are given. D, E. I can write this data also. AD is to DB is equal to 4:7. Now you have to give me area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle ABC. बताओ.
सर 16:121.
Okay, so let me see how did you do. So with this ratio, the similarity of the ratio of similarity क्या होगा? Ratio of similarity for triangle ADE to triangle ABC कितना होगा बताओ?
सर
4:11.
4:11.
And then ratio of area would be 16:121. Very good. यही बताना था सबको.
सर रेशियो ऑफ एरिया हमेशा स्क्वायर लगाना रहेगा ना, रेशियो ऑफ एरिया
हाँ, रेशियो ऑफ द ट्राइंगल को आपको स्क्वायर करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है। तो अच्छा, अब कुछ रेशियो रेशियो वाले क्वेश्चन सबसे ज्यादा आते हैं, इसलिए नीड टू नो हाउ वी सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन। तो एक तो ये हो गया। दूसरा, एक सेकंड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू फ्रिक्वेंटली गेट इज, जैसे दे विल नॉट ड्रॉ टू ट्राइंगल इन स्केल, ड्रॉन टू स्केल नहीं रहेगा। मतलब दे विल से दैट दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर, but they might not draw in the same way. But if they have written that triangle ABC is equal, sorry, similar to triangle PQR, you can safely assume that A is equal to P, B is equal to Q, and C is equal to, angle C is equal to R. And if they have given this value as 6, this value as 9, this value as 8, and if they are asking value of QR, can you calculate QR? Anyone?
तो 24।
कैसे पता चला तुम्हें?
अच्छा QR।
हाँ, QR you cannot calculate because similarity is given. So only thing we can say that the ratio of similarity is 6:9, क्योंकि ये वाले साइड्स से हम निकाल लेंगे। तो 6:9 basically 6:9 is 2:3. So we can just calculate these two also will be 2:3. So we can calculate that PR will be 12. But since this side is not given, we cannot calculate this side. We can just only say that it will be 3/2 of 3/2 times of BC. But we cannot actually tell that what will be the length of QR. So you can, in other way, you can calculate PR like 6 to 8. No, this is 3:4. So it will be 9 to 12. Again 3:4. So what you can see here that the ratio of similarity can be represented either from one triangle and just look at it. This you will understand. And by default, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we can write it like AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AC divided by PR. So if you have any trouble in taking these ratio, you can just name the angle as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 respectively. And first side I took, which is the side in front of angle 3. So I'll take the angle side in front of angle 3 of the second triangle, PQ. So this is how we can take the ratio. In other way, we can write that AB by AC will be same as PQ by PR. So this particular result I can get from this previous ratio also, or by Again, if you want to take this ratio, you have to make sure the angles have chosen rightly. AB is the side in front of angle 3. AC is the side in front of angle 1. So in the second triangle also, I'll take PQ, which is in front of 3, and PR in front of, देखो गलत कर दिया ना मैंने, AB by AC लिया, AB which is angle 3 और AC ये 2 के सामने का, नहीं नहीं ठीक, गलत नहीं किया, बट 2 के सामने का है. तो PR should also be the side in front of angle 2. So this is how you have to take the ratio so that there will be no confusion. Now, solve this for me. And this is also a very important concept here. I took a, let me take a right angle triangle. Which is triangle ABC. I'll draw a perpendicular from B to AC, which is BD. So now I have three triangles. Triangle A D B, triangle B D C, and triangle ABC. I have three triangles. Can any one of you prove that all three triangles are similar to each other? All of these three triangles are similar to each other. कोई एक इसको try करो. So one of the two angles which are not right angles, angle A I took 1, or angle C I took 2. So 1 plus 2 is 90. Now in this triangle ABD, one angle is 90 and one angle is 1. So by default, the third angle will be 2. Similarly, in this triangle, one angle is 90 and one angle is 2. So by default, the last angle, the third angle will be 1, because 1 plus 2 plus 90 will be the 180. So just see the way I have represented the triangle. In triangle ADB, triangle A is equal to triangle BDC. This is 1. This is 1. That's why I took B first. I wrote B first. And then again in triangle ABC, I wrote A first. So you should always remember that while writing two similar triangles, try to write in order to the equality of angles. Okay, so these three triangles will be similar to each other. Now a lot of question can be made here. You'll be given a lot of sides and they will ask you, oh, how will you divide and what will the value of this? So just to give you an example, if this is 6 and this is 8, and the last one is 10, 6, 8, 10. Can you find the side BD? ये तुम लोगों के लिए क्वेश्चन रहा. So now you know, मतलब ये homework है, you can do it later. Now you know that how we take the similarity, well, how we check similarity, how we take the ratios of sides of two similar triangles, and we also got to know about midpoint theorem and its variation. So now tell me one more thing. So these two lines are parallel. So can we say that AD is to DB will be same as AP is to R and S, let me. PR is equal to AQ is to QS is equal to AE is to ER. ये बोल सकते हैं? Because for all these lines, this particular D is parallel to BC. So if we can take any of these as a triangle, and for any triangle, this ratio would be same for all the sides. So even if I'll draw a separate line here, and if I'll increase this particular line, this let's meet at X and this is Y, then AX by XY will be the same as all the previous ratios. ठीक है, ये क्लियरिटी दिख रही है तुम लोगों को? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
अब
Yes, sir.
अब मुझे एक चीज तुम्हें बताता हूं मैं, बहुत ऑसम, विच इज द लास्ट थिंग फॉर टुडेज क्लास. अच्छा, ज्योमेट्री, जो लोग भी ज्योमेट्री भी पढ़ रहे हो ना, एंड इफ आर अपियरिंग जैट, try to study it very meticulously or like minutely. After the basic geometry, I'll just continue with the JAT. So anybody who is not appearing for JAT may stop there, and anyone who is appearing for JAT, one or two more class you will be able to do the JAT questions also from geometry. ठीक है? तो इस वीक में हम बेसिक्स कवर कर देंगे, and then from next week I'll be doing advanced geometry also for JAT. So one of the result for a triangle which you should remember is, for any triangle, the any triangle, if I'll bisect an angle, I mean equally divide the angle, these two are equals, then it will meet at the D at the third point. AB, the two sides which are making this angle, AB is to AC, will be same. The ratio of these two sides will be same as BD is to CD. ये होता है for any triangle. मतलब like you can just rename the triangle, or you can do it or draw it in a very different way. Like I can have this, or I will tell that these two P, Q, R, S. So for this triangle, how will I say? RP divided by RQ is equal to PS divided by QS. So irrespective of way I'm drawing the figure, if any particular angle is getting bisected, it will divide the line in front of it in the same ratio in which the side with which the angle has been made. अब इसको कोई प्रूफ करेगा? चलो अभी इसको प्रूफ नहीं कराते तुमसे, तुम बाद में देख सकते हो. दिस पर्टिकुलर रिजल्ट comes from similarity of triangles only. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट क्लास में विल बी गोइंग अहेड विद द other properties of triangles. ठीक है. Centers and other things, and also will cover polygon. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.